Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Ever saved a great Instagram reel or TikTok video, but that annoying watermark just ruins it? Today I'll show you a super easy way to remove watermarks from your videos using AVCLabs Video Blur AI. Let's get into it! Step 1. Download and install AVCLabs Video Blur AI. Step 2. Import your video. Step 3. Choose Fixed Blur Mode. Step 4. Choose Erase feature and select the area where the watermark appears. The watermark is gone and you can't even tell it was ever there. The AI smartly fills in the surrounding pixels, leaving you with a clean, natural-looking video. Now, let's clean your video. Please make sure you have the right to edit or reuse the videos you're cleaning up. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI video editing tips. Download link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.